That list without Saul Penduka is just a list that people are basing their opinion, because Penduka, as we all know, he made money from Kaya FM. He also making money on podcast and chill. He's making money by gigging. He's one of the richest media personality in South Africa. So pop culture. Liema miss out on Pop Culture Club as a Big Brother most successful housemates ever in South Africa. And I have something to say. Shall we get into this video? Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section with your opinion. If you are new here, my name is Ponzo. Guys, let's take a moment and pause and ask ourselves, what was the criteria that was used to actually determine the successful housemate? Because some of the housemates that I kind of knew, not really personally, they're more successful than the housemates that are there. I'm asking myself a question of, how did you get to that? But I've seen Kosi them, I've seen Ashley Ogo there. I've seen much more appealing also. My question here is, are you saying these are social, not social, these are housemates that are showing that they are much successful on social media because of the lifestyle that they are showing us? Because let me tell you something about social media. Everything is about perception, not the reality. If you are giving us the content that shows that you are kind of rich, and kind of rich is wearing label, staying in apartments that are so much expensive in Sandton and Bryanston, going on a trips, holiday trips that cost more than 100,000, like 3 times a year, that shows that you are rich. But the question is, are you really, really successful? And success is actually relative. When people are saying that Liema is not successful, and guys, this is not about Liema, this is about every housemate that have been in a Big Brother house. There are my two of my favorites, which is Ashley and Kosi Twala. But my question is that, how did you determine that Liema is not successful? Because this is the comments that I'm seeing on social media, that Liema has missing out because she has given money to Gerard, Big Brother money, 2 million, it was fake money, the fake winner. And I'm like, guys, do we sometimes kind of do things because we want engagement, or do we like reason radically? The post is saying most successful, and it doesn't say successful. I mean, we have to understand that success is actually relative. To me, success will mean being able to afford my child's school fees. That will mean I am successful. To someone, it will mean having a house, having cows. I don't want that. And to Liema, success maybe would mean having a music career starting. And that's a success. So everyone can define success by their own terms. But I'm not saying that the pop culture was wrong or the pop club essay was wrong. What I'm saying is that people on social media are exaggerating. And actually, if you are busy drinking Liema, is your faith there? That's my question. And do you see that there's someone that should have been there? Because for me, I feel like that list is not complete if Nate Sitwaba is not there. Guys, Nate is a business owner. Nate is an entrepreneur. Like, literally, she's doing well for herself, and she was doing well even before Big Brother. And she was even doing, like, I'll say she's a kind of Nepo baby, but anyways, let's not go dwell too much on that. I'm just saying that that list, you may interpret it the way that you feel and do whatever that you want to do with it. People are saying also Thandeka is missing on that list. And guys, I've checked, Thandeka, if indeed she was a bookkeeper in Italy, Thandeka is rich, 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 rich. As mad business, 8 years working as a bookkeeper, Thandeka is rich, guys. If it's the truth, Thandeka is very rich. So don't forget to like, comment in the comment section telling me, who do you think are the richest or the successful housemates in the history of Big Brother Mzansi? And where is Saul Penduka? You guys are